The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Wayne County, Johnston County until 7 p.m. At 6:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Smithfield, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Smithfield, Clayton, Benson, Micro, Selma, Four Oaks, Pine Level, Kenley, Princeton, and Flowers. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Johnston, and Wayne.